The origins of the North Face Scoreboard Award came from the client base. We wanted to have an award that only customers had a vote.
Exciting opportunity, and I hope you have the same passion about it as I did, when I used to win these things. And I just want to say congratulations to all the winners. It's just wonderful to be able now to share this opportunity with each of you. I'm going to introduce people that have achieved the highest pinnacle of customer success. And I don't care if you're giving it or getting it, it feels good. It's a feel good. Just to shake their hand and say, I know these people, and they do a great job. What's the best thing about a loyal customer? They return. Because without that kind of commitment, you can't achieve some of the successes that you've done in order to be here. And of course, we have a scale of measurement, which is a 5.0 scale of measurement. So people here tonight have basically represented most of the disciplines and functional areas of their company where they're exceeding the expectations of their customers.
When you are continuously exceeding customers' expectations, they will give you a rating that begins with 4.0. To 5.0, and that's the loyalty zone.
You're doing the Omega surveys and you're doing the awards because there's a level where you look at it and you say, what can I use out of this? What can make us better? And although we're making 90-some% of our customers extremely happy with our services, there are a few percent that aren't, and we want to find out what's going on with those few percent.
But it's more of a pulse. So if that pulse is up around the 4.5, 4.6 area, which it usually is, we're feeling pretty good. If it tanks, now and again it drops a few points, but we usually know why.
So coming up for Hologic is Rob Malata, Director of Customer Service, and Scott Carlucci, Director of Technical Service. Congratulations.
Knowing that we're able to sustain our level of service that we do through not only surveying our customers, but that our employees, they're the ones that allow me to sleep. They do a great job.
We want to take that to our customers and leverage it with them and help them understand that we have made those impacts and that we have received the award. It's continuous, right? You need to constantly look for opportunities to raise the bar. And it's one thing to say we did well, we did, it was a great win for us, but we have to continue to look at opportunities to improve.
It's just an honor and a privilege, I know, to the Omega team to be standing here with you on an evening like this and rewarding you for an outstanding job. So congratulations once again. Enjoy the rest of the evening, and thank you. Good night.